Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this channel, you will find a lots of money making content, how you can earn from doing freelancing job or doing blogging, making content. So if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe. So yesterday I uploaded a video how you can earn money from Upwork doing the simple data entry job, and I showed a step-by-step tutorials. Please check that out. And today I will show you another project like data mining and web scraping. It's pretty simple job and you can work from your home, and basic knowledge of browsing the Google and searching and data collection. So don't worry, I will show you this project how you can do this, and it's a sample project you might taking, and after learning lots of videos like this, you will create a account like Upwork or Fiverr, and maybe you find a good client where you can get a number of money. Okay, so let's start our project. So the project title is Need Data Mining or Web Scraping. Basically it's a buyer description, and buyer would need some freelancer who will finish this job. Okay, and the buyer from United States, and hire rate is 43%. It's pretty good. And here you can see it's a less than 30 hours per week. That's mean it's an hourly job. And if you want a fixed budget for this project, you can talk to your buyer and get a good deal. And the skills and expertise you must have: data scraping, data mining, data entry, Microsoft Excel. Very simple. And the buyer took interview 5 person, and among them he hired 1 person. So that's interesting. Okay, so what is this job and what should I do? Okay, so I will show you a step by step, so you will gonna learn this process and you can do this as much as you can. So before starting this project, you must have to understand the buyer requirements. That's mean what's the job and what's buyer looking for. Okay, basically you must have to do this first. So let's read it out and try to understand the job. Okay, buyer wrote it that I am looking for someone who can provide me a list of all dental offices in the United States. I would like the list to be separated by each state on an Excel spreadsheet. The information I need is dental office name, website, emails, phone number, social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, and please let me know your hourly rate for this task, as well as your fixed price cost for this project. So I've already discussed about this. It doesn't matter, it's hourly rate or fixed price. You can negotiate with your buyer, and what is best fit for you, you can go for it. Okay, so what's the criteria is that the information we have to provide: dental office name, website, emails, phone number, and the dental office social media account. Okay, and basically we have to find dental offices in the United States, and it would be separated by each state. So we have to find 50 states dental offices, and we have to provide an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a Google spreadsheet. Okay, so let's create it. Okay, so this is our spreadsheet where we'll be working, and we have to input a spreadsheet name. So let's grab the title. You can add title, or you can add this like our requirements. Basically we have to find the dental offices, so all dental offices in the United States. So we have to input column name like column A, B. So the information should be like this: dental office name. The first column should be dental office name. All right, and the second would be website, and the third one would be our email address. That's mean the dental office email addresses, phone numbers, dental office phone number, and the last one is Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, so we'll grab this wall and we'll separate by each column. Okay, so just copy and paste. and just make sure it's perfectly good looking. Alright, so our spreadsheet is ready. So we just putted some columns name that buyer requirements. Okay, the information I need is, but one more thing, we have to do this into our spreadsheet, like the buyer told that separated by each estate. So we have to separate each estate, like the sheet name, and copy the first estate name, and sheet 1 would be our California estate. Okay, our Alabama, and second one should be Alabama, and just duplicate it and make it copy and Alabama. Okay, so it would be a big project because we have to find from 50 estates. So I just showed you that created 2 estates, and rest of the estate you have to create this like this way. So now our Google spreadsheet is ready to work, and let's find the dental office. Just grab this sentence. So results for California, and what we have to do, we'll go for maps, Google Maps. So Google Maps would provide us a good number of results, so it wouldn't a good way find, but Google Maps would be a best for this kind of project. So here we can see the landmark, it's a dental offices here. So this is the one way you can search like dental offices, but it might be vary if you search like dental office California or USA or something like that. It's okay, no problem. So let's grab this office. Just click on the name dental office, and grab the dental office name. It's the name, copy and paste, and website, and scroll down, you will find the website. Just copy and paste. So it's pretty easy. Just first of all, you have to manage the whole thing like the spreadsheet and the etc. and buyer requirements, and grab the phone number as well. Where is the phone number? So we have done dental office, website, phone number, but still now we need emails, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So for this we have to visit the website first, and we have to find the email address from this website, because in this Google map we couldn't find any email address. But if you scroll down, sometimes you will see their social media account link like web results, okay, from here, but we couldn't find any Facebook or Instagram pages. That's why we have to visit their main website and just check their website footer. Okay, just scroll down. Yes, here you go. This is the Instagram page. Just copy the link address and paste it here. Then grab their Facebook profile link, copy link address, paste it here, and find the LinkedIn address. Okay, so there is no LinkedIn here. We have some Twitter, YouTube, or Google. Okay, so we have left LinkedIn and email addresses. So how we can find emails and LinkedIn? Okay, so let's check their contact us. Click on contact us, and maybe sometimes we'll see the contact at the rate their email address, something like that. But if you don't find any email address, we have to visit their Facebook pages. Okay, so open the Facebook page, and from this Facebook page we will find their email address. So here you can see this is the email address. So just copy and paste. So this is how we can find the email address. Sometimes you couldn't find the email address from this website, so you have to visit other social media account. This is the way you can find. So we have left only LinkedIn address. Okay, so how we can find this LinkedIn address? So just copy their domain name, only the domain name, and open new tab and paste it here. Type LinkedIn. So open this LinkedIn and make sure this is the perfect, and check their website. We have to check, because if this website is similar to this website, so this is the perfect LinkedIn profile. Okay, we can make sure. So copy their LinkedIn address and just go back to your sheet and paste it here. So this is how you can find the dental offices from United States. This is how you have to work. perfect. So though it's pretty time consuming work, you have to copy and paste, search, looking for different pages, and go back to the sheet and try to find another. And if you couldn't find the perfect information, you have to search different ways. This is how you have to work. So this is the project how you will work, and it's pretty easy how you can easily make money from Fiverr or Upwork doing the freelancing job. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will come back with another video, and that's gonna help you so that you can start with no money. This is my banner. Okay, so till then, have a good day. Tata, bye bye.